Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create this piece, and I called it Diamonds and Lace. It's pretty obvious why. The diamonds are the black diamonds and also some other diamonds. It's very glitzy and glamorous, and also the lace is just tremendous on this piece. I really focus on lacing and making the cells, and it turned out so beautiful. It's very fresh and new, and I love the lavender and the blues in it. They're one of my favorite colors. So I hope that you enjoy this, and let's go ahead and watch the video. I'll see you after. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my creation, and I hope you enjoyed the color combination. I haven't really done this exactly, and I'm definitely going to do this again. I just love it. It's just beautiful and soft and pleasing and very quieting. So until the next time, I thank you so much for watching. See you then.